How to make fences in Minecraft. So first you will need your crafting table and of course some wood. So just place your crafting table on the ground, get your wood, just put it right there, and now I have some oak planks. I'm just gonna simply get it right here. Now once I have it, you simply need to open up your crafting table again, place the planks right there, and we will get some sticks right here. You simply get the sticks. Now once you have the sticks, what you will need to do is just open up your crafting table, place the planks right here on that position and place sticks just like that to get a fence right there. You could just simply stack the planks right there and your sticks also. With that, you could have the fences right here. And now once you have your fences, you could just simply place them on the ground just like so. As you can see, we now have a fence. So you could also have different fences from other wood sources. So the type of fence depends on what wood you are going to use. And that's how you basically make fences in Minecraft.